In the heart of the Southwest lies a hub of innovation and education, a place where the future of our workforce is being shaped and opportunities are cultivated. Welcome to the Career and Technical Education Summer Conference, where we're preparing the workforce of tomorrow. Each year, hundreds of passionate CTE educators from across the region gather to learn about CTE initiatives, discover new career trends, and master skills that will empower their students for a lifetime.
Well, to start off with a keynote speaker, amazing, like right on point. This is it's well organized, lots of great information. Like, the speaker was fabulous. This already got me all pumped up and inspired. Go back to school.
And I'm a professor. We're actually going to present right over here in about 10 minutes. Basically, I think it's an amazing conference because you actually get to see what's on the industry and then also on the education sector, especially from K-12 all the way to middle school and high school.
But this conference is more than just a gathering. It's an experience, a transformation, and an opportunity for your business to shine. Imagine your brand standing shoulder to shoulder with some of the world's most iconic brands. As a sponsor or exhibitor, you'll have the unique opportunity to showcase your products and services to a captive audience of educators seeking the tools to shape the leaders of tomorrow. Our venue, the Starlight Event Center, isn't just a conference space, it's an award-winning masterpiece, voted the best conference center in El Paso. With stunning panoramic views, state-of-the-art facilities, and a vibrant atmosphere, it's the perfect backdrop for meaningful connections and dynamic presentations.
I've seen a lot of things come this way, but this has got to be one of the most amazing buildings. The amenities, everything, the hospitality, on point. Awesome. Very, very awesome.
You can literally walk to the front door and everything's here on site, ready to go with a flip of a switch means way. The actual technology that the Reach 19 put into the Starlight, it was a number one priority for them. They wanted to make sure this place had everything you needed to run any kind of a hybrid event after COVID. Obviously, we all had to learn how to adapt and be able to run anything you want to do and try to keep the cost down for the customer or the client coming into the facility.
Your brand will be front and center with a dedicated booth space where you can engage with educators one-on-one, demonstrate your solutions, and establish connections and relationships that matter.
Over our experience, you can't ask for things like this in the community, obviously, because of the fact that you're greeting a lot of your counselors, your teachers, a lot of good people, a lot of great information. But this is definitely an opportunity for you to come out and check out what a lot of the CTE programs are all about. Western Tech is about giving us the opportunity to really put those people to work, those students, those college hopefuls into roles that are needed, such as nursing, mechanics, welders, aerospace, and much more.
So we have a small booth set up here at the show. So talk to different clients, different school districts, different people from around the city, kind of show what we do, just if they don't know about us, or hey, we can help you solve certain issues or solve equipment issues with you. We can talk to you about it right here at the booth. But we're excited to be here. There's a bunch of really neat companies around us, so we're kind of bigger.
But that's not all. Your impact will be felt beyond the conference walls, as your brand is featured on digital signage throughout the ESC 19 buildings and even the El Paso International Airport. You'll be part of a powerful media promotion strategy, including social media campaigns, media relations, and so much more. And let's not forget about the swag, your logo and offerings showcased on conference materials that attendees will take home and treasure.
Now literally has hundreds and hundreds of apps that teach any of our CTE pathways in an immersive experience.
As we embrace dynamic trends and empower students to pivot in today's ever-evolving workforce, your partnership becomes pivotal. You're not just sponsoring an event, you're investing in the future. Don't miss your chance to be part of something transformative. Elevate your brand, connect with educators, and help create a better workforce of tomorrow. Contact us today to secure your sponsorship or exhibitor spot at the CTE Summer Conference at the Starlight Event Center, where we create, transcend, and empower.